my kitchen sink clusters. So some peanut butter is gonna be one of the main flavors, and some powdered sugar. It's just gonna go in. Then I'm gonna put in some liquid smoke. I prefer mesquite if you can find it, and just a little bit will do. So I like to pour a little bit into the cap, and then just a little bit right there. Just mix it around. A little liquid smoke. And I like to add a little pinch of salt to go with the sweetness. I like to just kind of put my bag in a cup, help stabilize it so I can get everything in there. Okay. Get everything together. Got a little corner right here. I'm gonna cut so I can pipe it out. And then let me just show you how to assemble it. From the pantry, a couple of pretzels. Each of them. All right, now remember that peanut butter mixture, just a little bit. Pantry again, those little like tiny caramel squares, one each, just plunk it in the center and really use it to push everything down and together. And then you're gonna get them into the oven or the grill. We're not done yet, okay? 350 degrees until it's all melted together. And now to add the top. So over here on my double boiler, I've got some chocolate. You just wait for it to start melting, like it is. So I like to use like a little melon baller. Just go into each of these and cover up that caramel on top of the peanut butter mixture, on top of the pretzel. All right, so after you're done with the chocolate right here, I like to add a little tiny pinch of salt. Little pinch. All right, now, all you gotta do is chill these. You put this in the refrigerator. If you want, if you don't have enough space, you can take these all out and just put them on a plate or a tray, and they're good to go. Let me show you what they look like. Look at this right here. Look at those telltale ridges. You know what that's all about.